Hey everyone, so I wanted to give some instructions here on the ancient whales article, just a close reading assignment that we're looking at while talking about mammals. So this is a link to a Newsela article, and the Spanish version is available here if you prefer to read that. So you'll click the article, make sure that you log in with your school Gmail account, and then you should be able to read the full text. So on land and at sea, ancient whales had 4 legs and were semi-aquatic. And here they have a reconstruction of this relatively recent fossil find. So looking here, we've got questions that follow up. So after you read the article or as you're reading the article, answer these questions. The article describes the fossil that was found as belonging to an animal that was semi-aquatic. What do they mean by semi-aquatic? Describe what that means. Number 2 here says the article mentions that other ancient whale fossils were not as complete and didn't have a clear indication about their swimming and walking abilities. Why would scientists studying whale evolution want to know about locomotion with their ancestors? Think about why someone studying where whales came from and where whales are now would want to research this. Number 3 says the study mentions that they think this fossil whale probably ate fish or crustaceans because it had a long mouth with sharp teeth. What is another example of an animal with a mouth like this that is a carnivore? So think of any animal with that kind of long mouth, sharp teeth that you can think of that would be a good fit. Number 4 here, compare the skull of a similar fossil whale ancestor, this is Ambulocetus, to the skull of a different artiodactyl animal, the American bison. So this is kind of more typical to what we think of with some artiodactyl skulls. What are 3 differences between the 2 skulls? So again, just look at both of them, talk about what differences you see between them. Number 5, part of the importance of this fossil was that it was found in Peru and other ancient whale fossils were found in India and Pakistan. What 2 factors in the ancient world helped ancient whale species cross the South Atlantic from Asia to South America? So again, look in the article for it starts talking about them crossing the South Atlantic. That has to do with the name of this new fossil species that they discovered, and talk about why this was easier in the ancient world, crossing from Asia to South America. And then number 6, our last question here. What is one process that this ancient whale had to return to the land to do that modern whales can do in the water? So again, think about one thing that this animal, again, the fossil animal that we're looking at here, could not do in water that modern whales can. It would have to return to the land for it. So again, I hope that this one is pretty straightforward as far as a close reading assignment. If you do have any questions about this one, again, please feel free to call me, email me, or you can show up for our science department Zoom meetings every weekday, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30 a.m.